Let's show you how to bind a WooCommerce store to the SourceSphere platform. First, we select the Add My Store menu. Then click on WooCommerce. So let's just fill in the name of the store like the store we're demonstrating here. It's called Slipper. It's a shop that sells slipper. Then enter. Link to the website of this shop. We're going to fill into keys. So how do we get the key? We're going to go here to get it, open your shop, and enter it. If your shop is starting out like this, then we need to enter it at the back. WPadmin, which gives us access to his administrative back office. Then select WooCommerce. Settings. Select Advanced, then select the REST API. Okay, but here, we're going to create this key. Click Add Key. What we want to connect is SH Dropshipping Platform. User, we want to select Administrator. Permissions, we choose Read and Write. And then click Generate Key. And the key here, we're going to save it because it's only going to show up once. Exit this screen, and it won't show up anymore. So let's copy it and write it down. Write it down, and then this key, and copy it down, and then we fill this in. Just here, then make sure. The store is finished.